To make app icons on the home and app screen smaller on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, long tap on an empty area on the home screen and then tap Setting. By default, the app's icon size is set to medium. To make the app icon on the home and app screen smaller, put the dot on the adjustment bar below app size on the left side. To see the result, go to the home screen and app screen. As you can see, now your phone displays the app's icon in small size. Given to the function, you can set the app icon size to small when you want to fit more icon on the screen to let you see more apps at once without scrolling too much, or when you want to have a minimalist look. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.